Hey friends, this is Connie from the Daily Life of Creativity, and today I have a project to share with you. This is using the Doodlebug or What Fun collection, and this is my third project using this collection. If you have not seen, I created this mini album. I also have a video we learned how to wrap the chipboard bases, put the pages together, and I also have the blog post for it with all the dimensions for the mats, the photo mats, which it has been my favorite so far. Well, I love them all. And then the second one was the tags with the shaker bits, like the sequin mixes with the polymer mixes. And you guys saw me putting one together too. I have a video here on my YouTube channel. And then now the third one is this cute little mini album that I put together. So I started with the covers, which are acrylic. Those are from my shop, Inner Creativity Shop. And I currently have them on sale for 15% off. If you would like to visit my shop, I'll go ahead and link that below. So we started with this cute little doodle pops, which are so cute. And the title for it is Merry Christmas. I also added some pattern paper here, and I add here pattern paper to the acrylic sheet. In here, I kept it pretty simple. I just wanted to add little flip pages, like flip. You can add little hidden messages or photos in here and add a larger photo. And of course, continue embellishment when you have all your photos. Like you see, I just pretty much embellished the top or the bottom, added enamel dots, and used the 3x4 cards and the tags. Here I created a pocket with the 3x4 tag, which is so cute. Here I added a bow. This is just ribbon. And we added a tag with some enamel dots. It also flips. And so I alternated between tags and cards, creating like little flip pages on every single page. And I also matted the pattern paper that matches the collection. That always goes really good. I added this little guy right here. If you've missed my previous videos, you will know that I've been trying to find a little place for him. And finally, I decided just to add him here. I think he's so cute. All right, so here on this one, I just added the word joy, this little Santa's Toy Factory sticker, like a little house, and then the enamel dots. And of course, this one flips open also. I'm just trying to alternate the way they open, either to the left or the right. See this one here. This one is a tree background. I added some enamel dots. This is merry and bright. And then I added that cute little Santa with this little guy right here. And then on this main page, it says "'Tis the season." So it's so cute. All right. And then here, this one says Santa season with Merry Christmas card. And another one here, sending Christmas cheer with Merry and Bright, and some little cookies right here. And of course, I left this one like this, but if you want to go ahead and add the cover, some type of pattern paper to cover this, I don't mind it. I like the way it looks, like interactive, different embellishments, right? So yeah, so this is my third project. If you want to check out the blog post, feel free to follow the link in the description box below. I will have links to all these projects, videos, and everything. I thought that this one was pretty forward. It's not much of building a base. It's pretty simple. It's mostly just cutting everything out. I used my acrylic tag as a base to cut all the pages, and then for the inside mats I just went a little smaller just to create a creating a trim of layers. And then I'm sure when photos are added, we're also gonna layer the photos on top of pattern paper. More embellishments are gonna get sprinkled and so on. So yeah, thank you so much for stopping by. If you have not done it yet, Ensure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I would love to see you guys here every time I post a video. Okay, I love you all.